Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa if you don't know me, and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today's video is a simple back to school makeup, and for my glasses wearers, I got you. This makeup is glasses proof, okay? You can wear your glasses without, destroying your makeup, or without having, that little print on the middle part of your glasses. I know how it is. It's really annoying because for those of you who don't know, I do wear glasses, kind of, not really, just like I only wear them in class, to be honest. So yeah, like I feel your pain, okay? So yeah, this is a simple back to school makeup. I hope you guys, recreate this look so you can slay in the classroom. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys get into the video. But before we do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell next to it so you don't miss any of our videos, because we got some really exciting videos coming for you guys. So yeah, see you guys in our next video, and let's get right into this tutorial. So guys, we're gonna start off this video with priming my face. I'm gonna use my VDL Lumilayer Primer as always. If you know, you know. I use it in pretty much all of my recent videos. This has been my primer for the summer. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and color correct using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour cream kit, and I'll be using the color Coral and just put that on my dark spots. After that, guys, I'll be doing foundation. So using my brush, I'll be putting on the Covergirl Elixir Vitalist Elixir foundation, and this is in the color 657. So I'm just going to go ahead, put that all over my face, and then I'll be using my beauty blender to blend out the foundation and just make sure that it blends seamlessly with my face. I don't want it to look too, not cakey, but too like liquidy, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And literally guys, this makeup it really didn't take me that long. So this is definitely something that you can do before going to school, and you'll be done in no time. Just something simple, but you still look glam, you know what I mean? So next I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, and I'll be using the same APH contour cream kit, but this time I'll be using the color Nude. And guys, I have officially run out of this concealer, and I'm so sad because I really love this concealer. So if you guys have any concealers you guys would like to recommend for me, just drop them down below in the comment section, and I'll definitely look at them, check them out, see if it works for me, because I really like this one. And another one that I really like is the Smashbox one. Like, those are my two favorites so far. Now it's time to set those areas I've highlighted, and I didn't show it, but I'll be using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in the color Blondie. And I love this product, guys. Like, this product is definitely my go-to lately because I just love how it blends in, and it smells so good too. You guys should definitely try it. So it's time to contour, and because we don't want too many products on our face or for our face to be too cakey, because we want this makeup to last all day for school or work, so I'll just be powder contouring. And for that, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and this shade is the shade Espresso. And yeah, I'm just going to contour, my cheekbones, my jawline, and my forehead and my nose. And yeah, I'm just doing that slightly because I want my makeup to look natural, you know, not something too harsh or anything. So this is why on an everyday basis I normally don't cream contour. So now it is time to move on to the brows, and to do so I'll be using this NYX brow pencil, and this is in the shade Espresso as well. So I'm just brushing out my brows, and then I'll go ahead and kind of carve them and then fill them in. If you guys want like an in-depth brow tutorial, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll gladly, you know, bring that to you guys, because I know brows sometimes can be a hassle. But yeah, I'm just doing that. I'm just carving my brows right now, and then after that what I'll do is I'll correct them a little bit using some concealer, and the concealer that I normally use for that is from NICKAK New York in the shade, I want to say it's in the shade Coffee, but it will be in the description down below because I don't remember right now. So because I wanted my lids to kind of have a bit of color and add a bit more dimension to them, I'm gonna go ahead with my Kylie. This one is the Burgundy palette, and I'll be using that brown color to kind of just pack that on my lid and bring a bit more color to my lid, you know. And that's the color Beach, I believe. Once I'm done packing on that color on my lid, then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to mascara. So because this is an everyday look, and because this is kind of a makeup look for glasses, normally when I wear glasses I don't wear lashes, just because I already have long enough lashes. So for me, I just go for the natural look. But I definitely know of people that wear lashes with glasses, so you can definitely add lashes to this look. But in my case, I'll just be putting mascara, and this mascara is the Maybelline Sensational Lash Mascara. Like, I love this mascara, guys. I swear to God, this mascara just makes my lashes so defined, and I just love it. Like, it's the best. Honestly, you should get your hands on it. And if you're still here watching this video with me, then comment down below the peaches emoji, because I don't know, I'm just thinking of peaches right now as I'm editing this video. The next thing we'll move on to is blush. You guys knew, like, I can't go without putting blush on my face. I just feel like it brings back some color. So yeah, I'll be using the NICKAK New York Duo Blush, and I like this blush. It's very peachy. So now we're moving on to my favorite part, a highlight. We want to look like we're going from within, if you know what I mean. So I'll be using those two colors, the golden and the kind of reddish highlight shade, and I'm mixing those two and just putting that on my cheekbones, you know, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, a bit on my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. So next I'll be using this other shade from the Carli Bybel palette, and I'm putting that on my inner eyes because on my inner tear duct, I mean, because I just want them to like glow a little bit, you know, and open up my eyes. So now it's time to set my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the VDL Radiant Mist, and then I'll also be using the Milani. And I do this because the Milani can be very drying because it's really matte, and when it says it's matte, okay? So guys, this is the finished look. Like I said, it's glasses proof, okay? You'll definitely be guaranteed to slay in the classroom, whichever day you go back to school. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did just apply some brown lip liner from NICKAK and one of my glosses, just because I wanted a clear lip, you know, something just neutral. Because I don't know if you've noticed, but I really like neutrals. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like this look. I hope you recreate it when you go back to school. And if you do, don't forget to tag us on social media. And if you're not already following us on social media, make sure you follow us. I'm at Aisa Mwamba on pretty much all of my social media, to be honest. So yeah, find me, tag me, recreate me, follow me, you know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
What else? Your body will kill me. Now, open every palm bed. Ram town. Now. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, yeah.